तरह एक बार ना पता चल जाते जब फ्री फायर खेलते वो ओपन था
in the last right side of the bond and the rest of 5 we are calculating what we are used as a 4 band resistor as well as a 5 band resistor. So the first band indicate the first digit, second band indicates second digit, third band indicates multiplier, fourth band is a tolerance. For example, it is a 5 band resistor. So there is a first band, second band, third band is represented the first digit, second digit and third digit. Fourth will represent the multiplier and fifth will represent the tolerance. If it is a 6 band resistor, so the 3 is a indicates as a digit, fourth one is a multiplier, fifth one is a tolerance and last one is a temperature coefficient. So this type of formulas will be we are used to calculating the resistor. So also we see the simple problems when give the colors. Like as orange, red, orange, gold. So we are calculating the value as 82 kilo ohms. At the same time, we discuss about when he given the values of resistance. So we are find out the colors. So for example, we in this textbook is given as a 150 ohms. 150 ohms is nothing but so if it is given in the kilo ohms, we should convert into the ohms. But in the first problem, he is given as a directly as a ohms. So plus or minus 5%. Plus or minus 5% indicates the gold color. So next 150. 150 low, we have the zero value. Zero value is nothing but so that we are taking as a 10. So 15 into 10. Hello? Hello? అమ్మా మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి అశ్విత ఓకే right. So 150 ohms. So 150 is nothing but if you are separating as a zero digit, that is a 10 as a multiplier, 15 as usually we write as a second digit and a first digit. 10 is nothing but we are already we know that in the tabular column. So 10 is for the brown color. So multiplier is the brown color. So as usually 10 instead of 10 we can write as a brown color. So if there is no digit, so for example is given as only 15 only. 15 is nothing but there is no zero. So but there is no zero, so we are indicating it as a zero value. So how can we possible it is a zero? So zero indicates black color. So means so simply we can write as a 1. So for example only is given as a 15 as a resistance value. So multiplier we are taking as a 1. Multiplier we are taking as a 1 if there is no zeros are available. So at that instant what we write here 15 into 1 we can write as a resistance value. But there is a zero is present because of that reason. So we are taking as a multiplier as a 10. Next 5, 1. So we know the values of brown is indicates the 10 first multiplier. Next 5 indicates the green. Brown 1 is indicates the brown color. So this is the order of colors. So first brown, green, brown, gold color. So this is about the 150 ohms. So for example is given in the problem in the kilo ohms, 2.7 kilo ohms. So first we convert into ohms. So kilo is nothing but 1000. So 2.7 into 1000. So value we are getting as a 2700 ohms. So from that we can simplify and we are indicating the color codes. Then after we discuss about common faults in resistor. There are 8 faults will be generally appears. That is open circuit resistor, short circuit, power dissipation. It is also we are called as a power loss. Increase in the value of resistance, that is depending upon the temperature. Noise in your resistance, that is depending upon the environment conditions. Intermediate contact while we are placing the resistor. If the resistance value conductive material we are used to make the joint, that will be also affecting on the resistance value. Next dry and cold solder joints. So while we are making the joints, these methods also affecting on the performance. For example, dry method we are using. So the heat produced by means of the heating material will be much greater. That is also affecting on the resistance value. If you are using the cold, is nothing but a soldering paste will be applied on the resistor, and then after we are using as a joint. So right, that type of also affecting on the performance. Next resistor goes to out of order is nothing but when we are breakdown takes place. Means high currents will be flowing through the resistor value. It cannot withstand. So direct it will be acting as a short circuit. దాన్ని మనం destroyed or out of order we are considered. Right. So today we discuss about classifications of wire wound resistors. Right. So it is the one type of variable resistor. So ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం చూసిన అన్ని కూడా fixed resistors. Means the value is fixed and the color indicating value is we are used only for the fixed resistors only. So now we discuss about the variable resistor. So in case of the variable resistor, there are two types will be available, right? Wire wound resistor and precision resistors will be we are considered. Precision lo thermistor, LDR, so those things will be come in the next topic. So in the topic we will discuss about only wire wound resistors. So wire wound resistors subdivided into two types: power type wire wound resistors. Second one, precision type wire wound resistors. So what is the major difference between power type and precision type is nothing but precision type only used for a specific application with a fixed values. But the power type can be used for the higher applications also. Precision type is limited for lower applications up to 5 ohms, right? So 10 ohms, 300 ohms, 400 ohms in that ranges only we can use. Means below 10 watts ranges, the precision type wire wound resistors can be used. So the value is much greater and power handling capacity is much greater as compared with the fixed resistors. Fixed resistors only available up to the 2 kilo ohms only. Sometimes depending upon the application 2 watts ranges, power handling capacity will be very less. Even the value of resistance will be high. 100 kilo ohms also we are getting in case of the fixed resistors. But the value is greater, but the power handling capacity will be very less. If the value is in the kilo ohms, that value of current is milliamps. Milliamps is a small current. Even we are touching it, it cannot experience of a shock. So, but in case of the power rating will be increases, the resistance value is decreases, the power handling capacity is increases. So, in case of, for example, we are taking a rheostat having a rating of 300 ohms, 5 amps, 300 ohms and 5 amps. If you are applying the voltage as a 200 volts, so how can we calculate the power? P is equal to V into I. We can write as a formula. V is a 200, so I is a 5 amps. 200 into 5, so 1000 watts ranges can be available, right? So that is a major advantage with the power type resistors. These are used for drive the motors, machines, controlling the currents in industrial applications. So that type will be we are used as a power type wire wound resistors. Precision type generally we are used for below 10 watts ranges. Below 10 watts ranges in that circuits we are used. So to manufacturing the industrial loads, for domestic loads also this type of resistors can be we are used. Right? So simple example, fan regulators also fabricated by means of the precision type wire wound resistor. So now in olden days they are making like that, but now when the technology will be increases, just a small regulators with a capacitors will be we are using nowadays. But when you see in old government offices or anywhere, the regulators will be available the larger size. If you are open, a green color rod will be we can observe. So that is we are called as a wire wound resistors, right? So this is a basic classification. The power type resistors will be divided into 3 types based on the application: low power and medium power, high power. Low power up to 10 watts we can consider. Medium power, it is a range between 10 watts to 60 watts. and high power rating is we are assuming considering as a 60 watts to 1000 watts. So in these ranges, these are available. Construction. So once we see about the construction, so here we are taking a rod. So that is the ceramic or whatever the rod. So mostly we are selecting the ceramic because it is having the highest temperature coefficient. Means the melting point will be very high as compared with the other insulating materials like as a wood or rubber or plastic or paper, whatever we are using. So those are having the low temperature coefficient and at the same time they are affected with the moisture. So for example, water composition అనేది పేపర్ పైన పడింది అనుకోండి, the insulation property will be losses. For example, we are using the wood. Wood is also one of the insulating material. It cannot withstand for the higher temperature. If you are applying more than the 100 degrees centigrade, automatically the wood can be burns. Rubber, plastic, these are all the lowest temperature coefficient. But ceramic, it is a composition of cement. Right? So because of that reason, it can be withstand for the higher temperatures also. A tubular structure, a rod structure, whatever it may be, we are taking. And the nichrome wire. So why we are using the nichrome wire as a resistive material is nothing but as compared with the other materials which is offers highest resistance value, at the same time the power handling capacity will be much greater as compared with the other resistive materials. చాలా ఉన్నాయి రెసిస్టర్స్ మనకు ఆలాయ్స్ లో కూడా మనకు రెసిస్టర్స్ స్టీల్ కానివ్వండి దాని రిలేటెడ్ గా ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని కూడా మనకు కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. బట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ మేజర్ డ్రాబ్యాక్, దే ఆర్ ఆఫర్స్ వెరీ లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ద టెంపరేచర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ విల్ బి వెరీ లెస్. ఒక పర్టికులర్ టెంపరేచర్ కి మనం వెళ్ళగానే ద మెటీరియల్స్ మే బి మెల్టెడ్. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రీజన్ మోస్ట్లీ ద నైక్రోమ్ వైర్ విల్ బి ఆర్ యూజ్డ్. ద మేజర్ అడ్వాంటేజ్, it can be withstand for the higher temperatures. So 1000 degrees for 3000 sometimes depending upon the composition. So it can be withstand for the higher temperatures also. Life is also very long as compared with the other materials, and resistance offered by means of the material also much greater as compared with the other materials. So because of these three reasons, mostly we are selecting the nichrome wire. So here we can see in the diagram a tube structure, the black color, it is a tube structure will be we are provided. So the middle one we can observe here. So on the tube the nichrome wire will be we are placing, and we have the two caps, that is the end caps, so that can be used for making the contacts. And on the above we are coating a material that is we are called as a protective coating. So first we are taking the ceramic core, or it is also we are called as a rod. So on that we are placing the nichrome wire, or we are wounded. Wound is nothing but so a rotating order we are placing side by side, that is we are called as a wounding. Chuttadaanne manam winding antam oka order lo, right? So if you are, then after we are placing the nichrome wire. So but there is a possibility of contact. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, లార్జ్ సైజ్ లో ఉంటాయి ఇవన్నీ కూడా. సో అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ గా మనం ఒకవేళ ఈ వైర్ కి మనం టచ్ అవుతే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ద ఎంటైర్ కరెంట్ విల్ బి పాసింగ్ త్రూ అవర్ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ యాక్సిడెంటల్లీ. సో టు ఓవర్కమ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ కండిషన్స్. Environment conditions for nichrome wire, it is a composition of metal. So because of that reason, so if it is exposed to the environment conditions, so rust maybe takes place. To avoid that also a protective layer will be we are provided. So means first ఏం చేస్తాం, ceramic rod అనేది ప్లేస్ చేసి tubular structure కానివ్వండి ఏ structure, mostly we are selecting the tubular structure for placing, easy placing of the nichrome wire. Then after we are placing the nichrome wire in a proper order. Then after finishing of wounding, we are covered by means of a protective coating. So it is an insulating coating generally we are placing oxide, red oxide or any other materials, whatever which is resist the environment conditions. So that type of coating will be we are placing on the surface of the nichrome wire. So the first end and second end will be connected to the leads. first end is connected to the one lead, second end is connected to the another lead. So why we are connecting the nothing but, so to place in a circuit the two ends will be essential. So resistor kuda manamu small size chusinapudu first end and second will be present. So here also the same thing will be we are considered. So first end, second end will be we are provided. So this type of construction will be we are called as a wire wound resistor. So the ranges is available from 0.01 to 100 kilo ohms. So in these ranges only they be available. So range, what are the power ranges can be available is nothing but up to the 1000 watts. So it will be starting from 1 watt to available up to the 1000 watts. But a carbon composition resistor means nothing but fixed resistors only available up to the 2 watts ranges. To maximum is a 50 watts can be up to the 100 watts can be available. Right? But in case of the wire wound resistor, the ranges of power can be up to the 1000 watts. So that is a major advantage with the wire wound resistor. So we can see here the specification. The resistance ranges can be available from 0.1 ohm to 1 mega ohm work. Right? So in that ranges also it can be available. Size is big. ఇంతకు ముందు మనం చూసినవన్నీ కూడా స్మాలర్ సైజ్, జస్ట్ మన నెయిల్ ఎడ్జ్ ఎంత సైజ్ అయితే ఉంటుందో ఆ సైజ్ లో ఉంటాయి. సో బట్ దీస్ ఆర్ బిగ్గర్ ఇన్ సైజ్. రైట్? సో కొన్నిసార్లు మన ఫింగర్స్ అంతా ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే మన హ్యాండ్ అంతా ఉండొచ్చు. సో లార్జ్ క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఏరియా అనేది ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో పవర్ రేటింగ్, సో ఇట్ కెన్ బి available from 1 watt to 60 watts, 400 watts, up to the 1000 watts if you are using for the higher ratings. Okay. Tolerance, it is between 0.5% only. Operating temperature, so up to 365 degree centigrade. Temperature coefficient, that is from 50 to 250 centigrades. And working voltage up to the 500 volts. Working voltage common for all resistors, but the power rating will be changes and the availability ratings will be changes. So where we are the wire wound resistor means applications. So first we are used in fan regulators. Fan regulators. So this type of resistors will be we are used. So second, multimeters. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే రెగ్యులేటర్స్ లో లేవు. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే రెగ్యులేటర్స్ అన్ని కూడా మోడర్న్ టెక్నాలజీ. రెసిస్టర్స్ అండ్ కెపాసిటర్స్ combination circuit will be we are used. They are smaller in size. But when we are using in the olden days, the resistors based regulators we are used. So they are larger in size. Okay. Next, multimeters. So multimeters already we see in the last application. Multimeter, the word itself says the meter can be used for multi-purpose to measure the distance value or current value, voltage value. So while we are calculating the resistance value or voltage values, the higher resistance will be essential to protect the circuit. So in that case, it's also wire wound type resistors will be we are used. So next, measuring circuits like as a voltmeter or ammeter. So in detail we discuss in the third sem. So that way we have the syllabus in case of measuring instruments. Next, already in the beginning I explained about why we are using wire wound resistors for driving the motors to speed control purpose, to braking purpose. So those are the basic applications for wire wound resistor. So used in low wattage space or combined heaters. Heaters lo kuda దీన్ని మనం కామన్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం to regulating the temperatures. So the main use of power wire wound resistor is in the electrical heating element of an electric fire, which converts the electrical current flow through into heat, which is element dispatching up to the 1000 watts. Right? So these are the major applications. Right? Wire wound resistors up to we see here. Then we discuss about the variable resistors. So in case of the variable resistors, subdivided into potentiometers and